Hello, this is the English alphabet for beginners. We start from A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. B is for beaver. B is for beaver. B is for beaver. B is for beaver. C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dog. D is for dog. D is for dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. F is for flamingo. F is for flamingo. G is for goat. G is for goat. G is for goat. G is for goat. H is for horse. H is for horse. H is for horse. H is for horse. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. K is for koala. K is for koala. K is for koala. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. O is for owl. O is for owl. O is for owl. O is for owl. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. R is for rooster. R is for rooster. R is for rooster. S is for shark. S is for shark. S is for shark. S is for shark. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. V is for vampire bat. 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 W is for whale. W is for whale. W is for whale. W is for whale. X is for xenorous. X is for xenorous. X is for xenorous. X is for xenorous. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. That was today's alphabets. I hope you had fun. See you around.